You're driving safely, minding your own business, maybe heading to work, grabbing groceries, or picking up the kids. And then bam, your car slams into a pothole. The steering immediately feels off. Maybe the tire pressure light flashes on. And just like that, a normal drive turns into a $500, $1,000, even $2,000 repair bill. This happens every year, especially after the cold winter months. Water seeps into small cracks in the road, freezes, and expands, breaking the pavement apart. What's left are deep holes that can blow out tires, bend rims, throw off your alignment, and even damage your suspension. In the end, drivers are the ones left paying for the repairs. Some cities allow drivers to file claims and get reimbursed for pothole damage, while others don't offer that option at all. It all depends on where you live. Many drivers assume pothole damage is automatically covered, only to discover they don't carry collision coverage, the part of the policy that typically pays for this type of damage. So in this video, we're breaking down which cities are most likely to reimburse you, why some areas deny nearly all claims, when your insurance will step in and when it won't, and the common mistakes that can get your claim denied. Before you hit a pothole, do yourself a favor and head over to FreeAdvice.com, where you can quickly compare car insurance quotes and find coverage that protects your vehicle and your budget, all at the same time. Okay, let's dive into the discussion on how you can be reimbursed for the money you spend on repairing your vehicle. One of the most common causes of potholes is actually water. It freezes, expands, and eventually cracks the pavement. That's why driving in colder cities like New York or Boston often feels rough after winter. Small cracks turn into deep holes that can damage your tires, wheels, and even your suspension. Some areas, including Chicago, allow drivers to file claims for damage caused by poorly maintained roads. But each city has its own rules. To make sure you're fully covered for any and all vehicle damage you could experience on the road, visit FreeAdvice.com to compare insurance quotes in minutes. Just enter your zip code into our free quote tool, answer a few quick questions, and compare your options side by side. You'll probably be surprised at how much money you could save this year. Now, your zip code doesn't just determine your insurance options and overall price, it also dictates what kind of help you can get from the government when the roads get rough. Let's take a closer look at whether your city qualifies, and if it does, what steps you need to follow to get reimbursed. These repair expenses add up fast. In Chicago alone, there's an average of 100,000 pothole damage claims filed each year. The good news is that the Windy City allows drivers to request reimbursements up to $2,000. But the claim process does take time and effort. You'll need a full police report along with a repair bill or a shop estimate. Even then, payments can take up to 6 months and are often not for the full amount. That's why it's essential you know what your own insurance covers. Not sure you're adequately protected? Compare top providers at FreeAdvice.com. Just enter your zip code into our free quote generator to quickly compare policies. It's the easy way to see if you are paying too much or missing coverage that will save you serious cash when your car is damaged. Keep in mind that Chicago's system isn't the norm across the US. Pothole damage claims are handled very differently in many other areas, such as Virginia, for example. Virginia residents can get money back for pothole damage to their cars, but the claim process varies depending on whether the pothole was already reported, if the transportation agency knew it needed repairs, and if the repair crews had time to fix it. The Virginia Department of Transportation, VDOT, is responsible for maintaining 58,000 miles of public roads across the state, so it handles hundreds of issues like this every year. Drivers can file for reimbursement online through VDOT if their tires or car is damaged by a pothole, but they must show the state was at fault, and even with adequate proof, the process can take months and usually involves delays. To make sure you're properly covered and are not overpaying for your insurance, visit FreeAdvice.com now. Just enter your zip code into our free quote tool, answer a few quick questions, and compare the most affordable options in minutes. We bet you will be surprised how much money you can save. Setting money aside for repairs is especially important if you're in a state that doesn't handle pothole damage claims as generously, like in Colorado, for example. Let's take a look at the challenges drivers face when trying to get reimbursed for pothole damage in Colorado Springs. Not every city makes it easy to get paid back for pothole damage. Take Colorado Springs, for example, where claims are denied if the DOT didn't already know the pothole existed. Even if officials did know about the pothole, they only consider paying if they had enough time to fix it, but failed to do so. In fact, reports show 98% of pothole damage claims in Colorado Springs are rejected, which proves how hard it is to get a payout. Because of this, many drivers rely on their auto insurance to pay first and then pursue the city for further reimbursement if needed. The easiest way to find an affordable plan is to visit FreeAdvice.com and compare insurance quotes. Enter your zip code into our free quote generator and find the best protection for your budget without the stress of searching through dozens of provider websites. Comparing your options helps ensure you have the coverage that will protect you from paying out of pocket for damage. Up next, we'll break down which type of insurance covers pothole damage and how loans or leases can dictate the coverage you're required to carry. Without even realizing it, you could have car insurance that covers pothole damage. If your car insurance policy includes collision coverage, you're probably already paying for protection that includes damage from potholes. Many people don't realize the full scope of it, but collision coverage pays for repairs not just when cars collide, but also if your vehicle hits a motionless object. While no state requires collision coverage, most lenders require full coverage, which includes collision and comprehensive. So if you have a loan or a lease on your car, you probably have coverage for pothole damage. So if you don't have collision coverage and you drive on rough roads, it's worth looking into more protection. It will pay off in the long run. It's fast and free to find affordable coverage at FreeAdvice.com. Just enter your zip code into our quote tool. You might be able to get more coverage for less than you're paying right now. To make sure you're properly protected without draining your budget, you need to know what a higher level of security will cost you. Full coverage car insurance includes collision for crashes, comprehensive for theft and weather-related damage, and liability coverage, which pays for injuries and property damage you cause to others. Combined, this insurance protects both your vehicle and other drivers on the road. It's smart to invest in full coverage car insurance. Let's take a look at what the largest providers charge. USAA is the cheapest at $84 a month, but it's only available to military families. Geico at $114 and State Farm at $123 monthly are the next most affordable. The most expensive full coverage providers on our top 10 list are Liberty Mutual at $248 and Allstate at $228 a month. The price difference is pretty shocking. In fact, by choosing Geico over Liberty Mutual, you can save $1,608 a year. That's some serious savings for the same level of protection. Keep in mind, these are averages. You need to see your personalized rates based on your exact profile at FreeAdvice.com. Just enter your zip code, and in minutes, you can compare affordable options from top providers using our free tool to compare policies and save hundreds or even thousands this year. We've covered a lot of ground today. Chicago, which reimburses drivers up to $2,000. Virginia, where you have to prove fault. And Colorado Springs, where most claims are denied. The big takeaway? Whether you get paid depends on where you live, whether the city had prior notice. But we also covered something even more important, your insurance coverage. Because in most cases, collision coverage pays first. And if you don't have it, you could be stuck covering the entire repair bill yourself. If you do have it, you may already be protected without even realizing it. If you're ready to see how much you can save, head to FreeAdvice.com today. Our site makes it incredibly simple to compare real-time quotes from the top insurance companies in your area. All you have to do is enter your zip code, and within minutes, you'll see exactly which providers offer the best protection for your budget. We'd also love to hear about your own experiences in the comments below. Have you ever tried to file a claim for pothole damage? Tell us what happened. We want to help you get the answers you need. Now, if this video helped you understand the pothole claim process or showed you a better way to save on insurance, please hit the like button. To learn more about handling sketchy road situations, watch our video on road debris damage. There, we break down the confusing rules about who is responsible when you hit something on the highway and how your insurance can step in to save the day. Remember, some cases are clear, but others are not, and our coverage breakdown will help you avoid costly mistakes. While you're here, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you never miss our weekly guides on the best insurance options across the country. Joining our community is the best way to stay informed, so you will always know when it's time to switch providers and where to find the absolute best deals. We are here to give you the confidence to make choices that keep more money in your pocket. Before you go, if you know someone driving on a damaged road or already dealing with vehicle repairs, please share this video with them. Sharing this info will help others stop wasting money on inadequate coverage or pay out of pocket for damages on top of that. Thanks for sticking with us through this guide on pothole claims. We'll see you in the next video.